play this and you're going to crush your opponents. How many times haven't you read that over the YouTube videos, and all the chess teachers try to sell you a pop, telling you that if you play that particular thing that they're telling you, you're going to crush everyone. That's just marketing BS, guys. So you either choose to live an illusion or you want to bear the naked truth, which is that there is no universal panacea. There is no opening either for white or for black that gives you the ultimate upper hand, and from now on you're going to be smashing everybody. That's just not true. So every single time when you see a title like crush your opponents with this, destroy them with that, it's an enormous steaming pile of horse manure. Now, I'm not advocating for not studying traps or openings. No. It is incredibly important to know them all. Okay? But if the other person is also well trained, you're not going to be smashing anyone. It just gives you a leverage. It gives you an edge. Perhaps if they aren't trained as yourself, probably you might be winning. Okay? So I'm all for study. I'm all for knowing every single little thing that might be helping, every trap, every subtlety in any opening that might give you an exotic flavor, and then maybe you're shocking the other guy. But when you're saying like, play this, you're going to crush your opponents, you're not going to crush anybody. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Okay, so just wanted to make you aware of the marketing BS, that it's everywhere. And just be reserved, when you're seeing that thing. It's not meaning that now you're learning and you're going to beat everybody. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to update a film about, I'm going to continue with the course on the French defense of Anish Giri. It doesn't mean now that if you know all those stuff from Anish Giri in the French defense, you're going to beat everybody. No. You're probably going to end up in a very decent, equal position against white if French is your weapon of choice when you're facing against e4. Okay, but then again, knowledge is a value in itself. And knowing as much as possible, it's fabulous, and you have to. But that doesn't mean you're going to win every single stuff. So just, be reluctant when you're seeing this kind of titles. Okay, have a great day, great evening, great morning, whatever you are on this beautiful planet, guys. And I'll see you sooner than you think with more French defense. Thank you.